Welcome to the Woyu channel. This episode is an introduction for beginners on how to mine BTC. Follow me step by step through the setup. Easily obtain your Bitcoin. Recently, many new friends purchased Avalon Q units from us. They have questions. How to connect to the mining pool and the series of operations involving the wallet address. First, before mining, we need to prepare a wallet address. Wallet addresses are divided into two types. One is the official wallet address. One is the wallet address from an exchange, also called wallets. Today we will only introduce the wallet address from an exchange, because after we mine the coins, they go directly into the exchange for trading or storage. This is the most convenient way. If later you advance further and want to use something like a cold wallet, you can contact the Woyu TG group or visit our Woyu official website to learn about cold wallets. When choosing an exchange, we must choose a slightly larger exchange. Its compensation capability and security level will be stronger. I will demonstrate using Binance as an example. How to obtain your wallet address. First, we need to go to the Binance official website. If you haven't registered with Binance yet, you can register by yourself. After you log into Binance, in the top right corner, this yellow section has a deposit. The first tab is P2P trading, which is trading between users. The second tab is directly using fiat currency to purchase cryptocurrency. Then we need to use the third tab, this on-chain deposit. We click on chain deposit. In the select section, we choose Bitcoin. If you don't find it here, we can directly search for BTC here, because it is obtained from mining. We must choose the BTC network. We must not choose the BNB chain or Ethereum chain. Otherwise, the coins you mine may get lost on the network. Then here is an address. This is your Bitcoin address. The second step of mining is to find a mining pool. As for mining pools, we can go to miningpoolstats.com, find Bitcoin, then choose the mining pool you want to use. Today I will use ViaBTC as an example. After registering and logging into ViaBTC, we go to the Assets section, next to the pool. Then here there is auto-withdrawal setting. The meaning of auto-withdrawal is, when it reaches its minimum limit, it will automatically transfer to your account. For Bitcoin, minimum withdrawal is 0.01 Bitcoin. ViaBTC, then here it can also be modified. The minimum supported is 0.001 Bitcoin for automatic withdrawal. Here is where we input the wallet address. We click Edit, Withdraw to Address. The address we just had in Binance. Copy it. Must copy it. Do not input it manually. Then paste it here. Click Confirm. At this point, it requires the email from your registration and the Google Security Verification code. This successfully adds your address. Once you successfully mine 0.001 Bitcoin, it will automatically transfer to your Binance account. If you want to add a BTC address, we do the same thing. Search for BTC here when selecting the network. It must be the BTC network. Must not choose Ether or BNB network. This is your BTC address. We also copy it. Find this auto withdrawal section. Same operation, add to address. Then click Confirm. We continue verification. Click Next. This successfully registers your address. One important thing to note, you will discover BTC address is different from the address we just saw, because ViaBTC needs to convert the address to pay you. This is not necessary to worry about, as long as you confirm the address you copied is correct. Now that we have prepared the wallet address, we can start mining. I am using ViaBTC as an example. Now we come to the Bitcoin mining interface. Go to the dashboard. Here it directly has the mining address. We copy this address to the miner's backend. For pools like F2 Pool, ViaBTC, the worker name is your registered username. We copy your username. If you have multiple machines, for example, if you want to identify different machines, you can add a dot after your worker name, then input what you want. Password, we fill in anything. Then click Submit. The machine will restart. After a successful restart, it will start mining. There is another situation, which is mining directly using the wallet address. For example, mining pool like Z-Solo. Then we click on Bitcoin. Then fill the mining address into your backend. Then copy your wallet address. Then directly copy your wallet address. Fill it into the worker name field. Similarly, you can add a dot to identify your machine. Password, also fill in anything. This is the operation for mining directly with a wallet address. Let's summarize the mining process. First, you need to prepare a wallet address that belongs to you. You can get it through the official website, or an exchange, or a cold wallet. Here I recommend using an exchange, because exchanges are relatively safer, and it's convenient when you trade. If you want to purchase or learn about miners, welcome to our Woyu Telegram group, or visit our Woyu official website to get the latest miner information every day and the most favorable prices.